Alright, I'm gonna get this tank. Wow, this is a very tight area. Gosh. I have a flush tower. S13. 52. Inspected. 11,460. 11,460. I wonder if that's one's made. I don't know. One, 2, 6, 0. I gotta see. 1, 2, 6, 0. It has a newer 400A, generic handle, and the original flush tower. But it still has the original flush tower. And it's very stiff. I don't know why. I don't know why it's so. I think the handle's a little long. Probably would be less stiff with the original. Built-in overflow. S53, S36, 63. This is a very cool old toilet. Such tight space. This is very hard to do. I think this is the right lid. I'm not sure. It looks similar, but it's not seating. I'm not sure if that's the right lid or not. I think it is. It's not seating, I don't think.